Tennessee Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's certainly been an interesting day across Acadiana. Things have certainly quieted down, but we started off with sunshine. Then we had scattered showers and thunderstorms, some of which produced a fair bit of cloud ground lightning and some pea to marble size hail. The pea size hail didn't surprise us so much, but marble size, that is quite impressive for the pattern that we have. In fact, let's take a quick look at the upper level pattern, trying to explain why we had the storms well behind that upper level storm system that produced the severe weather across Texas, Louisiana, and into Mississippi and Alabama yesterday. Now it's doing the same along the East Coast all the way up through the mid-Atlantic. And you can see where the center of that upper level low is up here as we get into Tennessee. And very cold air with this upper level low. In fact, measuring temperatures across Louisiana this afternoon, they were minus 25 to minus 26 degrees Celsius, which is about the same roughly in Fahrenheit. Normally this time of year, we're about 10 to 13, 10 to 14 degrees below zero at the 500 millibar level, which is roughly at 18,000 feet. So instead of the heating from the ground making things unstable, we had the cold air aloft making things unstable. And this is the way it looked across portions of Kaplan up through Scott, Rayne, Basile, Port Barre. We had a number of reports of hail on the order of pea to marble size. This doesn't do damage, but from a weather nerd perspective, this is awfully cool, and it was crazy the way we went from sunshine to this. And as quickly as the storms came in, they moved out because they were moving at about 40 miles an hour, and you can see the accumulation there. Temperatures dropping about 10 degrees when those storms moved in, thanks to that frozen precipitation from the upper atmosphere. But that is all pushing to the east of us, drier air moving in, skies are clearing out, and it's going to be a very nice and chilly night tonight. Nice and breezy as well. High pressure in charge. That's going to keep our winds west to west-northwest. There's another bubble ridge of high pressure right here, but a beautiful day tomorrow. Temperatures getting into the low to mid 70s tomorrow afternoon. After a chilly start, tomorrow night another cool one. High pressure begins to shift off to the east, so Sunday we'll see a southerly wind, but mostly sunny skies once again, and temperatures warming into the mid to upper 70s for our Easter Sunday. Moving ahead into Monday, high pressure a little bit further to the east, so on top of those southeasterly winds, we're going to start to see clouds come in. We may start off mostly sunny, but finish off mostly cloudy for your Monday afternoon. Here's a look at the European model that takes us into Tuesday. More cloud cover, and here comes our next weather maker. And we think this is going to be another storm maker, perhaps a severe weather maker. It's still too early to tell how this one is going to flesh out, but we look dry going into Wednesday evening, but overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning, showers and thunderstorms likely with an area of low pressure, and almost invariably this time of year, there's some sort of severe weather threat. So right now the Storm Prediction Center is not putting any outlook area because this is almost a week away, but we'll have to watch it. And hopefully if we get things in and the timing just right, we may be okay for the Thursday evening activities for Festival International. Maybe a few more showers with the upper level low next Friday, kind of like what we saw today. And then it should quiet down for Friday evening and going into the weekend. Right now, if the European model is to be believed, lots of sunshine for Saturday and Sunday, and temperatures more than likely pushing into the 80s. So overnight tonight, this is going to be one of the last coolest nights we see in the mid 40s, maybe for 6 months or so. We'll go 45 in Ville Platte, 44 Alexandria, 45 in Bunkie, and about the same in Opelousas. Mid to upper 40s I-10 corridor as we go through the early morning hours, and a little bit of a wind chill out there, and upper 40s to lower 50s across the coastal parishes for tomorrow morning. After that cool start, we warm up nicely into the mid 70s tomorrow afternoon with lots of sunshine. Tomorrow night, upper 40s to lower 50s, and as we head into your Sunday, Easter Sunday afternoon, lots of sunshine. Temperatures pushing into the upper 70s, and it's going to feel a lot warmer when you're taking those outdoor pictures in the sunshine for Sunday afternoon. So skies are clearing for that full pink moon out there. It's not going to be the color pink. It's just the name that the Native Americans gave it for April when the flowers are blooming this time of year. Breezy and cooler overall, and certainly more good sleeping weather. 48 your low tonight, 75 the high tomorrow. Gorgeous day with wall-to-wall sunshine and a nice breeze out of the northwest at 8 to 12, but not as gusty as it was today. Upper 70s on Sunday, will go lower 80s into early next week, and then that next weather maker late Wednesday, overnight Wednesday into Thursday. Those rain chances may change, as well as the latter part of that 10-day forecast, but we'll have to wait and see on that. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back.